for the opportunity. This is a very important subject, and glad that ICT Forum is addressing this. I'll quickly start. Arogya World, we are a global health organization working towards prevention of non-communicable diseases through health education and lifestyle change. Majorly, NCDs are called as chronic diseases such as diabetes, cancer, heart diseases. And we have been working from last 12 years, and I would like to quickly show the video, what we have been doing, how we are impacting on the organization, and then quickly a deck in terms of how our company is creating the sustainable culture of health, which is very, very important today. Yeah.
As India looks towards becoming a global leader through faster economic growth, maintaining the health and productivity of its working population is key. In today's fast-paced work environment, ensuring employee well-being is the top priority for progressive companies. There is an increased realization about the profound impact a healthy workforce can have on productivity, and morale and corporate wellness programs are on the rise. There is a need for employers to shift from a reactive approach to health, such as treating employee health issues as they arise, to a proactive one, which is geared towards prevention and holistic well-being. Currently, 2 in 3 Indians are impacted by diabetes, cancer, heart diseases, or other non-communicable diseases. When compared to other developed countries, the onset of these conditions has been found to be relatively earlier among Indians. The most effective way to contain the incidences of NCDs is prevention through health education and lifestyle change. Arogya World, a recipient of the prestigious UN Award, launched its Healthy Workplace program in 2012, which is scientifically designed, evidence-based, and outcome-driven, and recognizes workplaces that have institutionalized a culture of employee well-being based on a robust criteria. The Healthy Workplace globally acclaimed criteria was co-created with industry leaders and academia and medical professionals and is implemented in 3 levels: bronze, silver, and gold. This includes guidelines such as no tobacco policy, easy access to healthy foods, opportunities for physical activity, and focus on mental well-being. We conduct meticulous assessment of workplaces to evaluate the employee health standards and recognize companies as healthy workplaces at our annual conference and awards ceremony. Our highest accreditation in the form of platinum certification is reserved for exemplary workplaces who have adopted a data-driven approach, having leaders-led initiatives demonstrating continuous improvement in vital employee health metrics. Arogya World provides extensive support to sustain and advance all wellness initiatives through its flagship programs like lifestyle modification coaching, educational webinars on mental and physical wellness, and My Thali programs to help employees make healthy eating choices. In 2020, Arogya World launched an extensively researched mental health criteria as a part of its Healthy Workplace framework to help corporates address employee mental well-being in a structured manner. As of 2023, Arogya World has recognized more than 200 plus companies from multiple sectors, including organizations such as TCS, Mercedes, Honeywell, Hero MotoCorp, Reliance, HPCL, and HSBC, to name a few, impacting the lives of more than 7 million employees. We have a highly committed team of industry leaders and well-being experts passionately working towards our mission. We couldn't have achieved this milestone without the able support of progressive companies, industry associations, and strong partner ecosystem. Our emphasis is on clear benchmarking criteria, rigorous assessment process, great conferences, and team's passion to improve the physical and mental health of the working Indians. We are proud to achieve the prestigious Global Digital Health Innovation Award 2023 for developing innovative, accessible, and affordable services to transform healthcare. Arogya World has definitely advanced the dialogue on workplace health in India. We invite you to join the League of Healthy Workplaces.
Yeah, thank you. So, we have been working very closely with the corporate sector and creating an impact in terms of creating a sustainable culture, as I said. Now, if you see some of the alarming numbers in terms of data and analysis, what has been done globally, that 80% of the deaths in developing countries are happening because of NCDs, in which India especially is having 63% die from these chronic diseases. And apparently 75% of the adults are diabetic or pre-diabetic, which means that in India as a country, every family member, either one member is having diabetes or any kind of hypertensive or heart diseases, which is certainly an alarming, right? Now, as per the Harvard economists and the World Economic Forum, it is being said that 47 trillion global economic output loss will be there if this is not being holistically managed, right, by 2030. Now, what are the systems that drive a big problem, right? It's majorly urbanization, sedentary lifestyle, right, unhealthy eating habits, stress, which is again a major concern. And, as per ASNA report, it says that 84% of the Gen Z is suffering from the distress, right, because of the work-related pressure, and 74% in Gen Z, and baby boomers again around half of that. So this is certainly, majorly creating a problem in terms of the health and well-being of the people. Now, what is the solution? As per WHO says that three things which is very important: a healthy diet, physical exercise, and avoiding tobacco can actually prevent 80% of premature heart diseases, diabetes, and 40% of the cancer. So this is what our program is about, creating the entire awareness through this. And for our program, we have received the UN award, right? Our presence is in 19 states and union territories. Till date, proudly, we can say that 12.5 million people we have impacted the life positively, and we want to reach to 50 million people in the country by 2026. Our Door in Health Step model is majorly to make prevention accessible through, to where people live, learn, and work. And that's why one of our flagship programs is Healthy Workplaces, where we have recognized more than 225 companies and impacted 7 million lives. We also, work with the schools. We work with the people where they live through M Diabetes program. We are leveraging technology by sending the messages through mobile phones in terms of, giving them the communication and, motivating them to lead a healthier lifestyle. We are proud that Bangalore, being first city in the country, has been called as Arogya city, and we have launched this program 2 years back. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Karnataka, BPAC and Industry Association, where we have got 25 to 30 industry partners, academia, who have taken a pledge towards the betterment of health of citizens of Bangalore, right? And we are getting this movement in a very high manner. Healthy Workplace program is something which is related to SDG 3 as per Government of India priorities, such as, Ayushman Bharat, Eat India, Fit India, Poshan Abhiyan, and so on and so forth. Our globally acclaimed framework, which normally we provide to the corporates, which assess the company's best practices in terms of evaluation, and then we give them the entire whole framework to plan and manage the programs and implement the best practices, and thereby, if you see the outcome, what we have seen in our healthy workplace ecosystem, that the employee productivity has gone higher through reduced absenteeism, reduced healthcare costs, and the organization has created a culture of health, right? And they become the employer of the choice. Now, there are some tools and programs which are scientifically driven, outcome-oriented, and has been given and deployed in the companies where we are creating lifestyle coach about majorly leading the healthier lifestyle. My Thali program, which is about healthy eating, because number one cause globally about the deaths is also unhealthy eating, right? And also tobacco-free programs, physical and mental health webinars, what we have been conducted very successfully, where we are getting the industry leaders who are talking about various capability building best practices and creating an impact. Now, this program is obviously about communication, which is important and which has to be continuously. So it's like nudging every day to lead the healthier lifestyle, because we are too stressed with our work and too involved, right, for a higher productivity. So how do you really create an impact is something what we are using the World Health Observance Days and making the difference to them. Now, how do we create a sustainable culture? We recognize companies as healthy workplaces. We, through our tools and program, by implementing best practices, we transform the culture of the health in these companies. And as a measurable impact, we have seen companies who have been sustainably initiated this program. There is impact of 25-30% of the people who have stopped smoking, increase in employees who have exercised regularly by 45%, reduction in stress by 20%, significant reduction in attrition, and the people, there is a saying that healthier employees are happier, agile, resilient, and more productive, which impacts the bottom line of the organization. Now, Platinum Club is something which is a data-driven. On health metrics, we recognize these organizations. Some of the great leaders who have been working very smartly and they have implemented this program in progressive organizations such as Indian Oil, MTR, and other companies. And companies leaders have given a very positive feedback that how they have bring the change to creating a sustainable culture. Now, this cannot be done alone, so we have a great partnership ecosystem. We work very closely with CII, Public Health Foundation of India, where we accolade these companies who have been doing good work. Global Center for Healthy Workplaces companies who have been doing aggressive work on this area have been recognized at a global platform. Reliance Industries Limited, Wellness, and so on and so forth. Some of the 2023 companies we have again given recognition from each sector: IT, ITS, manufacturing, pharma, and so on and so forth. So these are some companies who have been doing outstanding work, and I would urge that the companies who are present here, the leaders who are here, should join together hand and make a difference towards giving back to the society. I think the health of employees is in our hands, and we should create the impact, and that's how we create a ripple effect with these organizations. So please contact us, and we would love to work together to address SDG 3. Yeah. Thank you so much.